Hi everyone and welcome back. So today this is Umar from Tutorials Hub and today we will be discussing about how to buy Premier League tickets online. So it is actually really straightforward to buy your Premier League tickets. So what you're going to do is simply subscribe to our channel and donate using the link in the description. So you can head over to official Premier League ticket to their official club websites, authorized ticket sellers, and there are basically much more, and or through general sales if available. Memberships and hospitality packages also offer ticket options, so go for that as well. Now you can head over to official sites. You do not want to be getting scammed or getting this type of issues, so it is actually quite simple to get yourself tickets. If you have any questions, you can let us know in the comments below and I will be getting back to you as soon as possible. Stay tuned for more and see you guys in the next video. You can also donate using the link in the description, by the way, if you haven't done that already.